How to create waterfall charts in Google Sheets. In this video, we will create 3 types of waterfall charts: waterfall chart, vertical, waterfall chart, stacked, horizontal waterfall chart. Introduction to waterfall chart. Search for waterfall chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Vertical waterfall chart is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Waterfall chart data requirements. You need between 1 and 2 columns of categorical data to create a waterfall chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a waterfall chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: waterfall chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for waterfall chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. You can refresh data sheet columns. You can skip the data column. You can set row values in the start row and end row text boxes. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Vertical waterfall chart is successfully created. In this format, we see the flow from opening balance through income and expenses to the closing balance. Now, let's look at another format, the stacked waterfall chart. Here, opening and closing balances are split into funding sources and reserves, while inflows and expenditures impact the overall balance. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Stacked waterfall chart is successfully created with this format. Note: opening and closing balance are shown as stacked columns. Now, let's look at another variation, the horizontal waterfall chart. This format displays the waterfall in a horizontal layout, making time-based comparisons easier. Search for horizontal waterfall chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Horizontal waterfall chart is successfully created with this format. These variations show the flexibility of the waterfall chart. It can be vertical, stacked, or horizontal, depending on your data and analysis needs. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the header label properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section. You can show or hide label. You can set the position. You can set the vertical position. You can set the max width. Click on the Label Font Style section to set the font style. Click on the Y-axis Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label Font Style section to set the font style and color. Click on the Apply All button. This is an example of Don't Float Totals. This is an example of Float Totals. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Set as Total section. To make the totals float, slide the Set as Total button to left. Click on the Apply All button. To make the totals don't float, slide the Set as Total button to right. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box Color section. You can set the color of all boxes. Click on the Bar Label section. You can append $ as a prefix to the numbers. You can set the position of bar label. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.